Rapunzel. Nobody knows how many times a story of Rapunzel has been told. Once upon a time, in a land where magic danced on every breeze, there lived a young girl named Rapunzel. Hidden away in a tower with no doors and only a single window, Rapunzel's world was one of solitude and longing. Her hair, as golden as the sun's first light, flowed endlessly like a river of silk. Each strand held the power of healing, a gift as mysterious as it was extraordinary. Though confined to her tower, Rapunzel's spirit remained unbroken. Little did she know, her destiny was about to change forever. As the fates would have it, a brave soul was drawn to her and set the stage for a tale of courage, hope, and unwavering love. Published in 1812, Rapunzel is a German fairy tale most notably recorded by the Brothers Grimm, but also said to be a work of two other creators. Its cultural legacy is spread across all kinds of literature, art, movies, and animation. Rapunzel is a journey from darkness to light, where the power of love and the strength of dreams create a legacy transcending time.